If you're looking at the TP-Link XC220-G3 AC1200, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually legit? Or is it just another router with big promises? Well, I took a closer look. And honestly, this one is pretty interesting. The XC220-G3 is not just a regular Wi-Fi router. It's an XPON router. That means it can work with both GPON and EPON fiber connections. For Wi-Fi, you get dual-band AC1200 speeds. The 5 GHz band can reach up to 867 Mbps. The 2.4 GHz band goes up to 300 Mbps. That's more than enough for everyday browsing, Netflix, YouTube, video calls, and even gaming. It also comes with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, so wired connections can be fast and stable too. Another feature I like is Easy Mesh. If your home has Wi-Fi dead zones, you can build a mesh network with compatible devices. You also get MU-MIMO and beamforming. These can help when multiple devices are connected at the same time. Security is another plus. The XC220-G3 supports WPA3. It also has parental controls, a firewall, and multiple network options. And setup looks fairly simple through TP-Link's Aginet app. But there is one thing to remember. The AC1200 rating is a maximum theoretical wireless speed. You won't normally see 1200 Mbps on a single device. Real-world speeds depend on your internet connection, distance, walls, and your device. So, is the TP-Link XC220-G3 a scam? No, it's a real TP-Link fiber router with solid features. For someone who needs a simple fiber setup, it looks like a legitimate option. But if you need the absolute fastest Wi-Fi available, you may want something newer. Overall, I'd say this is worth considering, especially if your ISP supports it.